Sit back and enjoy.
Yeah, look, I think 2022 is going to be, a great year in terms of, more little steps and more quickly. We have got a number of milestones and initiatives that we're working on. The first, we're now fully funded and a detailed plan to have the NAL operations restarted and profitably come Q1 2023. Great start to building a leading business in spodumene in North America. So that's given us that first step. The second step, of course, is we can move downstream from that point. And we're looking and have been at several options on how we then integrate that NAL spodumene production and refine it locally within Quebec. That work is ongoing, and later in the year we expect again to be coming out with a feasibility study on what the benefits and the decisions and options are on that next step. But that certainly is a very value accretive step for Sayona shareholders, and it's always been our intention. The other really important next milestone is the Northern Hub. As you know, we acquired a prospect, a deposit called Moblan, about 600 kilometres north of our Abitibi hub. But we intend to build on that base another similar, but even larger scale, higher quality spodumene production asset in that area. We've moved very quickly to complete the first drilling program. We did that over sort of December to February this year. We put out some preliminary results, but they look very, very exciting. I was in fact up there to see it for myself, and we are going to double down now on fast tracking the development of Moblan. That deposit in terms of grade, stripping ratio, therefore economics and quality is exceptional. And we as we always do, are going to move at as fast a speed as possible. So we're hoping to have the assay results from that first drilling exercise ready and evaluated in June come July. On the back of that, we will be planning a new further drilling program, far larger than the program that we did in the winter, and we should have those results then by that sort of Q3, Q4 in the end of this year. Really, hopefully, to be able to have defined a significant, we're looking to more than double the resource base that it currently is at Moblan, which will then underpin the effectively economics for building another world-scale concentrator plus hydroxide refinery, all there as the first step in Moblan. The other next step behind that on Moblan is, we think we've found the start or the basis of potentially another deposit or seen in that area with this preliminary drilling. We're going to again fast track that with more drilling and firm that out. But that is a really exciting next opportunity if that comes to fruition. So that's 2022, and I think that's going to be challenging, but it's going to be a very exciting and hopefully rewarding next phase of Sayona's growth going forward. The $1 billion just relates to the value of the NAL restart plan, and like I say, once we get to DFS, I think that has got some significant upside on it as well. But that's only one piece, one pillar of the Sayona asset portfolio. We have the opportunity then to go downstream into what could be carbonate production, which is already, the bones of it are already there. That will be multiples in terms of NPV and value compared to what the spodumene part of NAL is. In addition to that, we've got the northern projects, Moblan and created a northern hub, which ultimately is a mine, a concentrator, and hydroxide plant. And that is, in terms of potential profitability and value, is even more than the EBITDA hub, because the grades are 50% almost more, stripping ratios are half, and hence that in itself, you don't have to look at what recently Livent paid for Pallinghurst's share in our sort of nearest neighbour, Namaska. And that will give you some sense of what the potential, already the base value is, but what the potential could be for our northern hub. Add all that together, and clearly the 1 billion NPV is a small part of our asset portfolio.